What you cooking, Roch?
Whatcha, cooking, Roch.
All right, y'all, we got to get these eggs together, okay? So we're going to add them in some water. I'm going to add in a cup of vinegar. That is the trick to boiling eggs. You want to boil it for 20 minutes, like so. And then we're going to rinse them off into some cold water, okay? Now, we got to get this tuna started, okay? So I've gone ahead and opened up the cans already. We're going to drain off the water. I am using a light tuna in water, okay? Now, you can use whatever brand you use. I don't like the oil brand. Never have. I want it nice and clean. So make sure you clean the top of your cans too before you open them, all right? Because they've been sitting on the stock shelves at the grocery store and they're nasty and we got all that COVID going on. So make sure you clean them off either way. All right, so I want to see what these taste like, the difference, because I can already tell right now the Sunkist and the Aldi brand. You can see the difference. All right, the Sunkist has more chunky flakes. Got a feeling that this Aldi is mixed more than tuna. Let's taste it. Yeah, that's what I thought. It ain't bad, but I mean it's tuna, you know. But it'll be something else mixed in that. So now we're gonna do the Sunkist. Yeah, that's much better. All right, you get what you pay for. Okay, I prefer the solid. I was just a little cheap today. It's kind of expensive. So back to those eggs. All right, let's get one open here for you. See how easy it is to peel? And you want to peel them under running water, okay? Look at that. Easy peasy. All right, let's get this tuna together. So you want to get it all in a bowl and start this process, okay? Now, we got our onion, we got some celery, and we got our eggs, and we got a lemon. And I like to use Hellmann's mayonnaise, and I like to use classic dill relish, all right? And a little sea salt to go along with the fresh, all right? So let's get started. First, you want to kind of chop up the tuna in there, okay? We're going to add in our celery a little bit at a time. Like I said, ingredients are just a guideline, all right? So you just want to start out with a small amount, and then you just kind of want to get your lemon squeezed in there. Now, lemon? Why lemon? Imagine this. You put lemon on your fish, some of you know, your seafood. That's exactly what we're doing here, all right? So we're just going to blend that in well. Now I'm just going to add a little bit more. And just kind of check the consistency of it. You know, I like to have an equal ratio of mine. So we're going to put that eggs in later because I'm going to add in my mayo first, all right? Now, I'm going to start out with just a half a cup of mayo. I don't like my tuna overpowered with mayonnaise. I need to have it being kind of consistent there, you know, firm. Subway's, let me just put it to you this way. Subway has more mayo in their tuna sandwiches, all right? So that's not what we're trying to do here. We trying to taste the tuna, okay? So let's get it at a nice blending. Now, I'm going to add in that relish, okay? I'm going to start out again. Just about a little half cup maybe, a couple tablespoons maybe, and we're going to blend that in there. Now, I like pickle relish. You don't have to put in pickle relish if you don't want to. That's fine. I've made tuna without celery and onion. So it's just what you feel, how you feel you want it. All right, but this is the way I think the best tuna is made, okay? Now I'm adding those eggs in. The reason why I've waited for the eggs is because those eggs are going to absorb some of that mayonnaise, and it's going to give me an idea where I'm at if I add any more in, okay? And I think I need to add in a little celery salt in this here, so let me do that real quick. Now you just want to do that as taste. Start out just with a little bit, maybe like a half a teaspoon, and then because you don't want to make it salty, you know, keep in mind it's salt, all right? And you already got chopped fresh celery in there. This is just to kind of give you that salt, but with the hint of more celery, all right? Now I'm going to add in some more of that celery because I think I measured it out perfect, so I had a cup of each. All right, so I had a cup of egg, I had a cup of celery, and I had a cup of onion. All right, now I think I need to add in a little more lemon. Yep, and a little more relish, just a little bit. All right, and you just kind of want to blend that in like so. All right, now I'll have the ingredients in the below in the description. All right, but again, it's all about how you, your taste, okay? So let's give it a little taste there. Yeah, I think we're there. Now, I'm just going to mix that up. All right, y'all. Now, and then you want to let this sit at least for an hour before you eat it, because you want to get those flavors blended in, like so. All right. Now, that's how you make classic tuna fish sandwich. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead and put a sandwich together now. Don't nothing go to waste. I got these buns in here that I used a while ago to make chili dogs with. And the split on the top. They're pretty good buns. I got these from Aldi's. And we're going to add in some lettuce, some tomatoes. And I'm going to give it a couple of nice heapings of this fine tuna salad that I've made. I'm going to add in some onion chives on top. Now you can put cheese on here. I like to put a little cheddar cheese. I put some those giardiniera peppers on here, some jalapeno peppers. Yeah, and I'm gonna squeeze a little more lime on that. Look at that. Now that's how you make a tuna sandwich. All right, good, nice light tuna sandwich. Get you a cup of soup, and that's nice lunch. All right, so let's give it a taste and see what it tastes like. All right, it looks pretty good, right? Let's see. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Let's push those back down up in there. All right, y'all. That's what's up, okay? Let me take another little bite out of that because I'm hungry. All right, y'all. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Always, what you cooking, Roch?